Welcome to the world of precision-driven strategy, where every click counts and conversions are the name of the game. Today we're diving deep into Facebook Ad Tracking Unleashed, Mastering Conversion, a course designed to transform your Facebook marketing efforts. In the digital era, understanding your audience's behavior isn't just an advantage, it's essential. This course demystifies Facebook pixel tracking, turning it from a complex puzzle into a tool of clarity. From optimizing funnels to real-life examples of monetization, you'll learn how to turn clicks into conversions. You'll gain foundational insights into Facebook tracking, master pixel setup, and explore various types of funnels. You'll also engage with practical examples, cultivate a success-oriented mindset, and uncover advanced strategies for leveraging pixel data. Facebook Ad Tracking Unleashed, Mastering Conversion is perfect for marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners eager to up their digital advertising game. Whether you're starting from scratch or refining existing campaigns, this course has the insights you need. So, are you ready to elevate your Facebook advertising game? Enroll today and start on the path to becoming a Facebook marketing maestro. Harness the power of precise tracking and analytics to make every ad count. The journey to conversion mastery starts right here. So, join now and transform your approach to Facebook advertising.